Welcome to Consulting Mastery, the complete guide to management consulting. This video aims to take you from zero to consultant in just 90 days.
Hello everyone, my name is Syed Yasir Ahmed and I'm here instructing this program on Consulting Mastery. I've got more than 11 years of experience working with top tier consulting firms like Deloitte, EY, and even international organizations like the International Energy Agency. My area of expertise is renewable energy, but the frameworks that I'll teach you during this 90 days program is something that you can apply in any domain. So it doesn't matter if you're coming from a healthcare domain or if you are starting your career in financial services, you'd be able to apply the frameworks that I teach into your own domain. That should not be a problem. These are easy enough. You'll be able to learn them quickly and apply them in your own area of expertise. And we'll discuss case studies. There's a lot of very popular case studies. We work with a lot of international organizations like the World Bank, GIC, Asian Development Bank. There are a lot of popular case studies that we will discuss during the course of this program. And the reason was to create this program. And by the way, I do not have a ready script. That's why I'm just thinking, speaking, and that will this will be like that throughout this program. So the real reason was that a lot of people are beginning to transition into consulting. So this program is ideally for people who are just starting their career in consulting or want to transition into consulting. So we'll be discussing a lot of those aspects of consulting into this course as well. Maybe, and what I'll do is essentially be uploading like 1 or 2 videos every week, mostly on the weekends, and you can follow the channel. And if you have any query, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. I'll be more than happy to help you with your queries even there. But feedbacks are really important. I already have created the content. It's just recording and presenting that needs to be done, and that I'll do every week. I'll be covering mostly 2 chapters every week. That is the plan for now. My humble request is, do not waste money on these courses that are being sold on different channels, on different marketing platforms. Do not fall for those courses. You're only going to end up wasting your money. So please do not do that. Be patient. In the next 90 days, we'll be able to cover substantial amount of content in consulting on this platform itself. So that's all for now, and let us stay connected and wait for the follow-up videos. So do follow the channel on YouTube. I'll be posting videos on YouTube every week, and I'll be creating accounts on other platforms as well, but for now I'll be keeping myself limited to YouTube. I'll be accessible on YouTube. I'll be accessible on LinkedIn. Do reach out to me if you face any problem. But stay tuned, and let us hope we'll be able to post content real soon.